Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking at your energy starting from 22nd till 28th of November. In this video, I'll be looking at all of your energies. What are your overall energies? What are your person's energies in this reading? So we'll check it out, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, so let's get started with your reading for my Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, 22nd till 28th of November. Please. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. 22nd till 28th of November, Geminis. At the back of the deck, we have the Lover's energy. So strong love energies coming up in the reading already. It looks like you might be in a situation where you have loved someone in the past, or there is still love energies with a person you have loved before, okay? So strong, all of a sudden rush in your energies might be dealing with a Gemini over here. What needs to be understand? What needs to be? What do you need to understand in the situation is the Eight of Cups. You need to understand that something has been ended and you need to move on from that ending energies. I don't know for whom this is, but somebody out there, it is not for everyone. I will again tell you that for some of you, you might have already been moved away from that particular person or a particular situation. But for some of you, you have to move away from a situation which no longer serves you any positivity, which no longer serves you right, which no longer serves you in a very good position, in a very bad situation basically. The problem with the situation was Eight of Pentacles. Somebody was not ready, or somebody was not willing to give energies, or was not ready to give investment into a certain situation. Might be money related or might be energies related. Somebody was not ready to put their energies into this relationship or into this situation. In the heart, it's the Hierophant energies. So heart energies are coming up with there could be a marriage also involved in this, but the things were always temporary, okay? In the past, we have the Hermit. There was a soul searching situation which came. I feel that you might have learned something in the past, or this could be your person's energy. Either of you has already left that energy. Either they have moved on, or it could be you as well, Geminis, that who has moved on. But just take as it resonates. It could be vice versa, but somebody out of you both has already moved on from that past situation. Sorry. In your mind, we have the Five of Swords. It's strong betrayed energy. It feels like from your heart you are still there with that person, but in your mind it's the problem that you were the victim of that situation. That your mind knows that you were the victim, you were done the betrayal, you were the one who was given the fake promises, okay? That in your head. Something coming up in the future in regards with the present energies is the Five of Wands. I feel that the reason why you are not able to move on from that situation is because of the other person who has moved on in a very short period of time, I feel. And that makes it more problematic for you. Like, how could this person all of a sudden move away, like choose someone else than me, something like that. Five of Wands. So this is an energy of in regards with the present. With the Five of Wands, it is telling us that You might get involved into something which is actually not there for you. So the universe really wants to tell you that if there is anything like that in the future which comes up, like an argument or a fight or anything, or a gossip or a situation where many people are already involved, try not to go into that fight or argument. It might worsen the situation in your case. Okay, so let's see. um your actions towards this situation is the Seven of Pentacles. I feel that you are still waiting really patiently about it, like whether you feel that this person might come back to you, you know. And what are their energies towards you? The Emperor. So they, at this situation, they are really, they have taken control of their feelings and they are ready, they're already moved on. Geminis, they have already moved on. Message from the universe. I am really sorry for this reading, but it is telling this, you know. I don't know, we'll clarify it more. The situation with your person, the universal message from the universe is the Three of Swords. Universe is trying to tell you that there could be a third party situation. If you know, or if you haven't, if you do not know, but there was somebody. This betrayal, this hurt was given to you by the other person because it was meant to happen. So, you know, waiting for a person like that is not good for you at this place, at this time, you know, seriously. Um, so what is the overall situation, or what you can do, what is the solution for your problem, is the Ace of Swords. I think that there hasn't been a closure from your end, and that is what the universe wants to tell you, that try to find out the main solution, or try to remove the fog around you, the clouds around you which are summing up you over your head, and just come to a closure, come to a decision making. Okay, let's clarify now your reading. Tell me more about the Lover's energy for my Geminis. Gemini's energy, Lovers. We have Ten of Swords and the Empress energy. So there is definitely a betrayal with the third person in that situation, which is coming up today, today Geminis. Because because I saw Taurus energy, so you might be dealing with a Taurus, or your person could be dealing with another Taurus. But definitely there is a betrayal energy over here. Strong. And you know somewhere, you know. Let's see. What do you need to understand with this Eight of Cups? Something more you need to understand. Six of Cups. Okay, you are waiting for them to come back to you. You are waiting for the reconciliation to happen, which might not happen. Okay, because if this person wanted to work the situation, because the problem with the situation you are dealing with was actually, it could be worked on, but this person didn't want to work on that situation. It was like, you know, they never wanted to invest their energies more into this relationship, and that is why the things happened that way, you know. See the Tower energies, the things ended, they wanted to end it themselves, so that is why it's coming up like that. Hierophant. What is this Hierophant telling us? In your heart energies, Geminis. Yeah, that separation, it's really hard for you to accept that separation. It's still in your heart. It is like, you know that feeling of emptiness because of the marriage failure or the relationship failure. It's still there in your heart somewhere. Hermit. Why the Hermit is here in the past energies? Six of Swords. See, I told you. So the same cards are almost coming up, which I already told you. This person of yours actually moved away from you in the past only. So if you are thinking that they are still there in the present, so I don't see them in the present because they moved away from you, from this relationship, back in the past. Tell me something about this Five of Swords energy for my Geminis. What's going on in their head? Five of Swords. You know about that betrayal. You know so well, and you know somewhere that the things have been ended. There's a closure, but you're not ready to accept that closure. That is the problem. You know, and you cannot accept. That is the problem. That is the whole difference. The gap is there. Five of Wands. I need to find out the energies of Five of Wands in the future energies. Why the Five of Wands is here? Two of Wands and the Magician. Yeah, decision making has to be made by you. You need to take charge of the situation. If you are at a crossroad in the situation, like whether to move on or to stay and wait for this person, this is coming towards you. It might bring a lot of arguments and fights, might be with yourself only. Okay, so this does not involve people always. It could be fights in your own head and arguments within yourself. So you might, things are coming your way, these kind of things, where you will actually need to take a step either here or there. You cannot stay in between. And thinking of the person coming back to you. Let's see what is there for you for the Seven of Pentacles. Your actions towards the situation with the Seven of Pentacles, the Emperor, okay, the Hermit. So we have both the Emperor and the Hermit, and I feel that this is your person's energy. So this is the action which your person has taken of taking control on their hand and moving away from this relationship. So this is something you also need to put action into. I'm getting strong moving on energies over here, Geminis. I'm really not kidding, but Emperor. Why the Emperor energy is here? Yeah. Deception has been done by their end. They were the ones who deceived you. They were the ones who were not the victims, but who actually, you were the victims in that situation. Tell me about the Three of Swords. I'm getting strong. So many swords energy in your reading. It was never about love in the situation. So no cups energy, I feel. I don't see any cups in this. Only Six of Cups, and that too not in a good place. Yeah. Tell me about the Three of Swords in the energy for my Geminis. I don't know why Taurus and Taurus. I am saying Taurus again and again because the Empress and the Emperor and okay, I don't know. Let's see. Three of Swords, message from the universe. The Chariot. See, move on, Geminis, move on. It's time to move on now. It's waste of waiting. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your energies. You are wasting everything right now. I'm not saying it's the cards who are saying. I am not saying anything. Ace of Swords. Any solution to your problem? Let's see what the cards are finding. Any solution to your problem? Yes, solution is there. Justice. See, if you will move on from the situation, you will be the one who will find justice. You are at this time, you were betrayed. So basically, you are finding justice. You want justice because you were done. You feel that you have been given injustice by the universe, and you are somewhere, you are feeling that it was the wrong decision or wrong things has been done to you. So why am I the one who is suffering? Why the other person is happy? I was the one who was right. I was the one who loved. So why the other person is in that situation? Two of Pentacles. You are juggling between two decisions right now. You are at a crossroad situation, definitely. So just come out from that crossroad situation, Geminis, and work on yourself. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Geminis. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.